Hey YouTube, it's Ray here, it's arabbitgame, and today here I have a pretty big unboxing. See that? The Canon HF200, right? And I'm sorry, but I had to open this. I had to check if everything was there, and I got this at Costco, so for $600, it's a bundle, so I had to open it. I didn't look at anything inside, though, so I'll just get this out. Oh wow, comes with a Canon soft case. That's the camera right there. So it has some information. It has a Belkin HDMI to mini HDMI cable. Oh, it has a SD card, 8 GB. That's nice. And this is it right here. Let me just throw this box. This is it right here. So let me just get to this bag. So let me cut this open. Nice. Small bag. Okay, so now let's do this unboxing of the camera itself. Okay, wow. This that is one bag. It has the book inside, some application discs, a few application discs. Put that to the side. Oh. Cable, charging cable. The battery, finally, the battery. A USB cable, HDMI cable, a charging cable, and that looks like, wow, pretty big for charging cable. This. Yes, nice. A remote, finally. I have a remote. So I think I'm going to be using this camera for my videos. So, and the battery for the remote. A cord, like a hand cord for the camera. And some other cables. I don't know what this is. So, and here's the camera. That is really nice. Wow, that fits in really nice. Let me just get the battery. Oh, here it is. Just slides in like that. Strange. Oh, there you are. Wow. That's nice. I'm definitely going to be shooting with this now. How do you turn this on? Oh, power right here. See if it has any charge. Nah, doesn't have any charge. Wow, very nice camera. Very nice unboxing, right? See what else is in the box? No, nothing else. So, wow, it's a very, very nice camera, guys. And it just swiftles like that. Ha ha ha. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be kick-ass. So guys, it's right here, it's arabbitgame, and I'm gonna be using this camera now. No more of this crappy looking like Olympus camera. Now I can use this because it has photos. You could take photos also and videos, so it's in HD. So guys, it's right here, it's arabbitgame. Peace.